Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, let's talk about how to check your balance in the Bluevine app. It's going to be a quick one, very short. I'm just going to give you guys 6 simple steps to do this. So let's get into it. First step is to download and install the Bluevine app from the App Store or the Google Play Store and then log into it with your credentials. Once inside the app, you're going to land on the dashboard, and at the top, your available balance is going to be displayed. This is the amount that you can spend or withdraw freely. Now, if you want to see your total balance, including pending deposits or holds, just tap on the balance to expand the details. Navigate to transactions to view recent activities that may affect your balance. It could be pending charges, deposits, or transfers. These are all going to appear here. Now, for quick access, enable notifications in settings to receive balance alerts and low fund warnings. Refresh the app by swiping down to ensure that you see the most up-to-date balance. And that's it. You can now check your Bluevine balance anytime from the app. Hope you guys liked this tutorial. Hope you found it useful enough. If you did, like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.